Hi, in this video I want to work on the PDF Viewer application that I created in one of my previous videos. As you can see, this is the app. It had a button, we click on it, we choose a PDF file, and it's opening the file here like this. Now in this video, I want to go one step ahead, and instead of opening the app and hit the open button, I want to go to the file application, navigate for the file. For example, I'm selecting this PDF file, select it, hit on the share, and you can see our app is going to be in the share application. If I click, it's delivering the file to the application, and the application is opening it. Also another thing, instead of hit on the share, I can come to this three dot of the menu, hit on the open with. Again, you can see our application is suggested here. I click on it, wait for loading the file, and here it is. So let's get started. Okay, to receive a file path from another application, like this file application, we have to create an intent filter inside the Android manifest file. So I'm going to Android manifest file, and I want to create this intent for my main activity because I want to receive the file path inside the main activity. So I have to put my intent filter tag between this activity tag, which is belong to main activity. I already have an intent filter to determine the main activity is the main launcher. I don't want to touch this one. I'm coming under it, and I'm creating my new intent filter here. So to do that, I'm writing intent filter like this. Then I can create a label for it to show under the my app name. So it gives us a hint. So to do that, I'm choosing this label, and I can type whatever I want. For example, PDF viewer like this, and this is my new intent filter. But I have to create a category, an action, and file type or file format. To do that, I have to create my category. My category name is gonna be default. I close this one. Then I create an action, and my action gonna be view like this. And then I have to set my file format or file type. So it's gonna be data, and I'm choosing this MIME type like this, and I'm using exact file type I use in my main activity here in my file navigator. So I can copy this one, application/PDF, and I'm using save. So I'm telling the Android this intent filter is looking for PDF files like this. Then to receive the file path from this intent filter, I have to go back to my main activity inside my onCreate method. I'm creating some new lines, and I have to receive the intent here. So I'm creating an intent, I'm calling it intent and get intent like this. And I'm creating a string variable, I'm calling it action, and I'm getting the action from the intent dot get action like this. Then I'm typing if intent dot action view, I select this one, dot equals our action we get here. Then we can get the URI of the file here. So Yuri gonna be Yuri, and we can use the intent.getData. And as you can see, I want to show you again, the getData type is already URI. So I'm choosing URI. And then here I create another application. However, this URI is never going to be empty, but in any case, I prefer to create another condition. If URI is not null, like this, then we can pass the URI in our open file to load the PDF file. So open file, and I pass URI here. So let's see the result. Okay, this is the app. I stop the app. Now I click here and choose this one. And I go to open with. As you can see, our app is popping up in the suggestions. I click here, wait for the loading the file. And this is our file. But for example, if I come to the share, you cannot see the application here. So I have to create another intent filter for getting our application in the share suggestions. So to do that, I go back to the Android manifest and I'm creating another intent filter. I'm creating a label for it. So I can write PDF viewer. I'm adding a number here just to show the difference inside the application. And then I have to create my action name, and it's gonna be sent because we want to send through the sharing process. As you can see, we have two options here, send and send multiple. Our application is opening one file at a time, so I'm choosing this one. But if you want to receive multiple files, you can select this one, and inside the intent, you will receive a list of a file path. But here we select this one because we need only one single file at a time. And after that, my category, name, and it's gonna be default. And again, file format, I can use the same line here, copy and paste here. Then I go to my main activity. Here under getting action, I have to create another string to get the type. So I'm typing a string, I'm calling it type, and it's gonna be intent.getType like this. And again, I'm coming here. If intent action sent, so intent.action send, this one is equal action and type is not null, then we can get the file path here. So again, URI, I'm calling it URI, gonna be intent.get parsable extra, this one, and here I'm passing intent.extra string, this one. I close this one, and then again I'm using same condition I use here. So I copy this one and paste here. Now, let's run the app. Okay, our file is set. Now, if I click on the share button, I have to see my application here. Yeah, now my application here. And as you can see, under the application name is written our label, which is PDF Viewer 2. I select this one, wait for loading the file, and here it is. Let's try again. For example, this time I choose another file, go to open with. This is PDF Viewer, which is our first intent filter. So it's coming here, and if I Click on the share, the PDF viewer 2, which is our second intent filter here. So this share gonna be work in other application also. For example, I'm opening this file with Drive application, and here I'm clicking on send file, and also our application is popping up here. It means we can transfer the PDF file from one application also to our application like this. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video and if you find it helpful, please leave me a like and subscribe for more video. Thanks again and have a good time.